In this video, let's look at making this BMX rider jump off this cliff using Serif PhotoPlus X7. We'll start by closing that welcome screen in Serif PhotoPlus, and if you've got a little help panel on the left, you can safely hide it with this arrow, but we will use this documents panel at the bottom. Then I'll get my two pictures, I'll drag in my cliff edge, and I will also go and find and then drag in my BMX and get rid of the pictures. Okay, I'm going to start with my BMX rider and grab what's called the lasso selection tool to quite roughly cut out my BMX rider. Once he's selected with this dotted line, go to Edit and Copy. Then switch over to the cliff edge picture, go to Edit, Paste, and importantly, as a new layer on the same image. That's important. Now I can use the Move tool to move where he is, but you can still see the sky, so I'm going to remove that. And we have a very special tool called the Magic Wand tool, which allows me to click on an area of colour, such as this blue background, and it will magically work out that I wanted to select all of the blue around the edge. Then I can go to the Edit menu to choose Clear. And there is a shortcut on the keyboard, which is the Delete key. Now there's still a bit of blue in the middle, so I'm going to click there, Edit, Clear, and that already looks okay. Now to get rid of these annoying dotted lines when you don't want them, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press D for deselect. I'm going to zoom in on this picture so that I can do a bit of the detail work inside the bike. So I'm going to zoom in and maybe press that button again and use the scroll bars to get the bit I want. Click, Edit, Clear. Really powerful, this magic wand. Click, Edit, Clear. And remember, if you accidentally click the wrong bit, you can use Control and D to deselect that area and have another go. Just this tiny bit in here. Edit, Clear, and to look at the finished effect, we will change the view to fit on the screen, zoom to fit, and I might use the Move tool once I've deselected just to move him slightly further off, and there we have a BMX rider jumping off a cliff. See what you can make yourself.